If you download the latest DGUS program from the DWIN site and unzip it to a folder of your choice, you will see the contents as shown in the image. This is a portable type, not an installable program, and additional required programs may be installed when running. Since I will be using it often, I will create a shortcut for the DGUS program on my desktop. Even if it says there is an unknown provider issue when running, if it is a file downloaded from the DWIN homepage, ignore it and run it. At the top, there is a menu with various tools needed for work, and at the bottom, there is a separate menu where you can use various tools right away. Right now, you don't have any pictures or icons to use, and you haven't even bought a monitor, so nothing is ready, but that's okay. Click New and create a new project. When you click the New button, a pop-up window will appear. First, select the resolution of your monitor. This will vary depending on the size and resolution of the monitor you have, but as an example, we will select 7 inches, 800, 480, and resolution. Next, determine the location for the new project. Select Create New Folder to specify a new project folder. When you select a folder, all folders and files related to DGUS tasks are automatically created in that folder by default. After creating a new project, if you open the project folder with File Explorer, the contents, as shown in the image, will be automatically created. Among the folders, the Icon and Images folders are temporary folders for editing and storing icons, desktop images, etc. The actual meaningful folder is the DWIN set folder. In this folder, system-related files such as font files, system files, config setting files, monitor system update files, and all the pictures and icon files that I have worked on and completed must exist. Regardless of where these files were edited or modified, the completed results must be in this folder. Later, when it's complete, copy this DWIN set folder itself to the SD card, put it in the DWIN monitor slot, and turn it on. It will automatically load and work. Therefore, the name of this folder should not be changed. First, create a config file containing the basic settings for the DWIN monitor. Click the new CFG button. Create one in the DWIN set folder with the same name as the project. Later, the DWIN monitor will be configured according to the contents of this config file. Most of the contents can be used as default, but some can be modified as needed. When checking the CRC, which is a data verification number, when sending data, you must also send the CRC calculation result. However, in the case of Arduino devices, CRC operation is inconvenient, so there is no need to use it. The default is off. Touch sound determines whether the screen will beep when touched. For models with a touch screen, you can select. The ICL address is basically hexadecimal 32. It means that the starting position where the base image is saved is hexadecimal 32, so do not change it. It will be explained separately later. Sets the BPS rate that DWIN monitor uses when communicating with devices such as Arduino. Normally 9600 is used, but if you want to operate DWIN monitor at a faster speed, you can set a faster BPS. To protect the screen, you can decide whether to put it into sleep mode if there is no touch or data received for a certain period of time. It will be restored when there is a touch or data received. You can choose whether to have your monitor screen in portrait or landscape orientation. Up to here, we'll just modify a few important options and save them.
Goodbye. See you again. Like and subscribe, please.